Kyrie Irving went off for 40 points tonight, but the Boston Celtics, they're on a 2-game losing streak. Trying to get back in the win column. You see Kyrie gets the layup there. Gonna get the handoff, pull up from mid-range. He was on fire. He shot 60% from the field. Look at that step back splash. He had 5 of those against the Orlando Magic. The story of this game, points in the paint. The Magic were absolutely living there. Crazy layup from Peyton. Even his hair. Couldn't believe he made that one. Aaron Gordon, spin move on Al Horford. Maybe that should have been an and one over pursuing on defense. Another layup goes in. And they can't keep him out of the paint. 26 points in the paint to just 2 in the third quarter. And the Magic take a huge lead. Brad Stevens can't believe it. Fourth quarter action. Can they mount the comeback? Kyrie, he's trying. He's bringing them back slowly but surely. Under 2 minutes to play, Kyrie makes it again. But unfortunately, it's too little, too late. Magic are going to give the Celtics their 3rd straight loss. I'm going to hit this guy with the manual blitz on 3rd down. Look at this manual blitz. Cheese. Oh, no. Oh, look, they made me stop.
Cheese.
They hit me with the nano detection. Look at that cheese. I got nano detected. I got frozen.
Cheese.
I can already